District Administration of Bishnupur district has prohibited using crackers during the celebration of the ensuing Diwali festival in the whole area of the district, citing various reasons. The district magistrate of Bishnupur district, Puja Ilangbam, has issued an order in this regard and an exercise of powers conferred under Section 163 of BNSS 2023. It states that there is apprehension of a breach of peace and public tranquility if the sale and use of crackers during the ensuing Diwali is not checked. The order further cited the prevailing law and order situation in the state and the possibility of misuse of crackers or works by various vested interests with the view to cause annoyance or panic or confusion amongst the public, or even to divert security forces as a result of such mischief or confusion with the view to cause injury or loss of lives and property elsewhere. It also warned of taking action against those who engage in possession and sale of crackers and fireworks without a valid license issued in this behalf by the district magistrate under Section 84 of the Explosives Rules 2008, Violators of Explosives Act 1884. As India celebrated Diwali, pollution levels skyrocketed in Delhi, with netizens across the national capital reporting air quality index AQI figures at 1000 or even higher. Although the Supreme Court had permitted the use of green firecrackers between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. on the festival day, celebrations continued well beyond the allotted hours. Data showed that 36 out of the 38 air quality monitoring stations recorded pollution levels in the red zone, indicating very poor to severe air quality across the city. Authorities warned that air quality is likely to deteriorate further, slipping into the severe category more broadly on Tuesday and Wednesday. The pollution this morning was about 15 times the limit prescribed by the World Health Organization, according to official data. Every winter, air pollution spikes in Delhi NCR and most parts of the larger Indo-Gangetic plains, mainly due to meteorological factors such as lower wind speed and drop in temperature, and pollution from stubble burning during October, November, and bursting of firecrackers worsens it.